Hi everyone, it's Vicki here, and today I'm designing with the Hip Kit Club February kit and the weekly sketch, which you can see here. So I wanted to follow the sketch relatively closely. So first up, I'm putting some paint on the page. Mixed media is something that I like to do. So I've got the Opal Magic acrylic paints from the February colour kit, and I've scraped with my palette knife some of each of the three colours across the page, and now I'm just doing some splatters to go with that. So I'm just keeping the yellow splatters on the yellow, the pink on the pink, and the green on the green. Well, it's more of a teal than green. Okay, so I'm doing that, and then in a second I'm just going to put it up to the camera and show you the sparkle on it. Just sort of see the shimmer there. It's really, really pretty and very nice to work with. So I left that completely to dry and came back to it the next day. So, excuse me. So I have these two photos of my niece when she was younger, eating an ice cream and making a big mess of herself. And they're really cute. So I just wanted to get those scrapped. And following along from the sketch, I've cut 3 strips of paper there. There were actually 2. No, there are 3 on the sketch. So I've just sort of cut one to go at the top in that blue, which is a pink fresh paper, and that's a crepe paper piece in the pink. So sorry, I'm all over the place today. And that little piece is also from the Out and About by Pink Fresh. So I sewed those down off camera, which you didn't see, but I've just put a straight stitch through the top one and a zigzag stitch through the bottom. So now I'm just backing my photos with some paper from the kits in coordinating colours and sticking that on there. And I want to put some embellishments on. So this paper clip, again, I take the end off rather than use it as a clip. I did that previously. And another one of these puffy hearts that has the glitter in, because why wouldn't I? They're gorgeous. And I like these little banners, and the little Home Sweet Home one goes really nicely just there. So popping that on. I'm putting some die cuts on here, but actually in a minute I don't use the die cuts, but I replace them with some puffy stickers that are similar. These die cuts, the circular frames on the edge of the photo, I do use those. So here we go. So I've found these puffy stickers, so I've decided to take off the die cuts and put those on instead. So I'm just sticking those little circular frames to the photos, getting out some more puffy stickers, sticking down that little banner, and then I'm just going to put some foam on the back of my photo. And just layer them up. So that's why I took one off of the corner in the end. There we go. So just layer them there. Excuse me, my throat's a bit tickly today, so I apologise. Okay, so we're sticking everything down here. Looking for what else might go on the layout. So I'll need to think about my title next. So my title's going to be Love Ice Cream. I think that's fairly self-explanatory. I don't need to tell you why I've chosen that. But I love those little Pink Fresh mini stickers. There's 2 whole sheets of them, and they're just adorable. And a couple of the little puffy stickers from there as well have just gone on there. And that's it, final layout. Very simple. I hope you like it. Here are some close-ups so that you can see what I've done, and I'd love to hear your comments. Please subscribe to my channel and take part in the challenge. We'd love to see your entries. Thank you. Bye bye.